Divine powers are always working for us because we're doing right. Thank you so much for tuning in. How to master your craft so you can lead in your field. Don't you want to be the best at what you do? Well, in this video, I'm about to tell you how to be the best, how to be on top of the mountain, how to come out #1 in your field, okay? No matter what you want to do. If you want to be the next best R&B singer, if you want to be the next best doctor, the next biggest lawyer, okay? If you want to be a veterinarian, if you want to be a clothing designer, I'm about to tell you how to master your craft and to lead your field so that you come out on top at the end of the day, all right? Now, first things first, I'm going to let you know a little bit about me. I'm a YouTube vlogger, okay? I'm a life coach here on YouTube, and I remember when I first started doing YouTube, I wasn't the most confident guy in the world. I didn't have any clue of what I was doing. I would replay my videos after I record them. I would second guess them. I would delete them. As a matter of fact, I remember when I first started my YouTube channel up, I deleted it. Like after 5 months, I deleted everything I had did because I didn't feel good about the video and the content that I uploaded. I was insecure about my own content, okay? But 1 year went by after I had started back doing it. 2 years went by after I had started back doing it. The more and more I kept doing videos every other day, the more I got confident and I got better over a course of time. Now I do videos daily because I have been repeating the process over and over, and I'm perfecting my craft. I'm mastering my craft. So I'm saying that all to say this. It don't matter what you choose to do in your life. It don't matter what you're doing right now. The only way you're going to lead your field, the only way you're going to come out on top and be the best at what you are doing is if you repeat the process more than the next person that you're up against, more than your competitors, okay? You can be the best sales marketing person ever, okay? But you're not going to be better than your colleague. They're going to have more sales than you because they work harder than you, okay? You can be the greatest rapper in the world, but the only reason why you become the greatest rapper in the world, like Lil Wayne, is because you got to have the work ethic of a Lil Wayne. Little did people know, even though Lil Wayne was talking about lollipop and made it a club song, a club hit, chances was that Lil Wayne was not in the club. Like 50 Cent in the club, bottle full of bub. It goes something like that, right? These guys work day in, day out. While you sleep, they working and creating songs. They creating music. They creating videos, doing work constantly, 24/7, 365 days of the year. And that's what makes them the greatest rapper alive, okay? So you got to ask yourself, how much work are you putting into your craft daily? Are you the type of person that's doing a little bit on Monday and then coming back on next Monday and saying, oh, I'm supposed to be good. Where's my check at? They supposed to pay me by now. Why it ain't working for me? The reason why it don't work for you is because you gotta put in that work, okay? You gotta hustle and flow, okay? You gotta be hungry for it. You gotta be relentless in your craft. And that's the thing, you're not gonna see yourself tone up after you eat 1 strawberry and 1 blueberry today. You gotta constantly be a vegetarian every single day. Shouts out to all the vegetarians out there. Speak up, let your voice be heard. Speak up, let your voice be heard. And let us know if you're a vegetarian, okay? Flex on them a little bit, flex on them, okay? You gotta be working constantly. You can't take no days off if you wanna be the best in your field, all right? And another thing that you can do to master your craft is look up to some of the greats. Some of the people that are in your field right now who do what you do, and they might just be a little bit further along their journey than you. It's okay. It's okay to look up to somebody who you want to be like or you aspire to be like. I do it all the time. You know, I'm so inspired by great people. I'm so inspired by icons. I'm so inspired by entrepreneurs, Grant Cardones, Tony Robinsons, the Ralph Smarts. You know, I'm so inspired by the greatest people that are good in their field because I see if they're doing it, then I can do it, okay? And that's the thing about success in your field. It's not gonna be something that comes overnight, but I guarantee you will make success in your field inevitable if you work day in, day out, mastering your craft. There have been many times where the universe has woken me up in the middle of the night, and I wonder why I got this extra inordinate amount of energy. It's because God is saying, Trenius, this is your time to be getting ahead of the game. While they sleeping, you got a little extra boost. You can be working, okay? Putting that behind your craft so that when you wake up in the morning, you can already have it done, Tren. So that's why you probably have a little extra amount of energy, is because you're so ambitious, okay? That's what it's all about on a journey to success. In order to master your craft, you have to be driven. You have to be determined. You have to be motivated. You have to be ambitious. And last of all, you have to be relentless, okay? Some of y'all been following me for a long time now. Shouts out to everybody who's been following me for years, okay? But y'all already know that if you want to achieve something, you have to be relentless. You have to be able to take all that negative energy that you're experiencing. Look at your life right now and say, man, you might not like it. Okay, you got to do something to change it. Take all them negative vibes and all that hate that people giving you around you, telling you how you ain't gonna be nothing, telling you how you ain't gonna accomplish your dreams, you ain't gonna go nowhere, you ain't gonna be better than your daddy was, and you ain't gonna never have. Take all that negative energy that they feed in you and feed it into your craft. And this is how you make something out of nothing. Let them talk. Let them talk about you. Let them speculate. Let them comment on you. Let them watch you. Let them do what they got to do. But at the same time, you got to be working too. You got to be working behind the scenes, making yourself better so that you can make other people's lives better and the world a better place to master your craft so that you can lead in your field. All right? So this is how you master your craft and lead your field, man. It ain't going to come overnight, for one. And you got to keep on being consistent all the time. Every day. I'm no better than any other YouTuber out there. The only thing that separates me from the flock is because I work harder. Okay? I'm researching. I'm studying. I'm reading books. I'm creating new designs. I'm coming up with new ideas. I'm coming up with new concepts every day just to stay ahead of the game. And that's what it takes if you want to master your craft and lead in your field. It's all about putting in that work. Comment below right now and say, I'm going to put in that work. I'm going to do whatever it takes. Comment below right now and say, I'm going to put in that work and I'm going to do whatever it takes if you're going to be leading in your field in 2020. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Treniushenderson. You're tuned into the famous Living Realm Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're doing right. Make sure you subscribe to my channel by clicking my face icon. Click that face icon and hit the bell notification so that you can be notified every time I upload new videos every single day. Put in that work, man. Put that work in. Do them numbers. Numbers don't lie. Numbers don't lie. Peace.